Alright guys, you guys have read over this thing, you know what we're talking about. Fred is over here talking about a lot of things, right? Premature births, low birth weight, adequate prenatal care. And let's talk about what some of those things look like. What's the idea? So, prenatal care. The idea is you're going to have access to a doctor. You're going to talk to the doctor. You're going to get advice on what to eat and how much to eat. These people, these lovely ladies, are looking at how much this woman weighs, because it's important actually when you are pregnant. It's important that you gain enough weight, right? You actually have to gain weight when you're pregnant to take care of the baby, all that kind of stuff, right? You're going to get vitamins. You're going to get blood work done. You're going to make sure that everything is going to go well on the day that you give birth. Cool. So that's a good thing, and usually it tends to lead to on-time births, not premature births. What's so bad about a premature baby, or what we call a preemie? It happens like this, right? Sometimes it's not this small, right? So this baby is clearly very, very premature. I know it looks scary and terrifying. Don't worry, the baby lived. It's okay, right? But this is what it looks like, right? It's very small. It's underdeveloped. It's like the heart sometimes doesn't work. It has to have, be on a heart machine. I mean, the lungs don't work. This one's on a respirator. I mean, it's like crazy, terrible stuff. And it's really tragic, okay? So sometimes the babies don't make it. But, this is the idea. You want your baby not to be born like 3 months early. You want it to have 9 months in the womb. And if you have 9 months, this is what that looks like, right? Maybe a little bit overdue, but you have happy baby time. And your, baby comes out with adorable cheeks and it's smiling and it's happy. Or, well, it's probably crying when it first comes out, but that's okay. So, let's look at the arguments over here. Adequate prenatal care leads to on-time births, right? On-time birth, happy baby. That's what on-time birth means. All right, so happy baby. On-time births lead to healthy birth weights, right? So babies are supposed to be like this, kind of like chubby, right? You got those big chubby baby cheeks and big chubby baby arms. You need a little bit of fat on your body when you're a baby because you have to grow massive amounts in short periods of time. So you just keep all that fat and you burn it all up and use it to become a big, huge human in a very short time, right? That's the idea. Okay, so adequate prenatal care. So if you have that doctor, you have access to that doctor, you're probably going to give birth on time, which means you're probably going to have a healthy, happy baby, which is kind of chubby and adorable. And therefore, what is the thesis? Adequate prenatal care decreases the risk of low birth weight babies, or it makes it more likely that you will have a healthy birth weight baby, right? The idea here is it's just a multi-step logic thing, right? Blue leads to purple, purple leads to green, therefore blue is leading to green. That's the idea. So, let's use this information and use it to attack the next couple questions.